Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to another new video of WinTrader. In this today's live video, I'm going to show you the live performance of our running version 8.1 and how our software support in trading for MCX trading. In live, I am going to show you the chart of gold and crude oil, and also I am going to show you the offline chart of NSE. Actually, our software support all major financial market. In one software, you can see all the market like MCX, the NSE, cash, future options, currencies, Agri, Comex, and Forex, and it's all working with real-time data. There is no delay in the data. It's real-time tick-by-tick data. And the software we are marketing from 2009, and we are updating a version also. Currently, the running version is 8.1, and we have a scanner 1.2. With this 8.1, we have a scanner 1.2. And in this version, you can see there is a red down arrow, that is a sell signal, and the green up arrow is a buy signal. So these are the automatic signals. Red down arrow is a sell signal, green up arrow is a buy signal. Whenever software generates a signal, the same time there is an alert, there is a pop-up message will display in a screen with the sound effect. In this alert message, it will mention the entry point. If it is buy signal, then it mentions the buy price. If it is sell signal, then it mentions the sell price. Also, the same details will display here also. You can see currently I open gold, it's mega gold, and you can see currently the market value is 48,075. So current market value is showing here 48,076, and this green up arrow is the buy signal. So as I told, whenever software generates signal, before taking any signal, signal, if it is buy or sell signal, you have to check the confirmation. The confirmation means if it is a buy signal, the first and main confirmation it will display here like price in buy zone. That is the first confirmation of buy. If it is buy signal, you have to wait for the signal to come. If it is buy signal, the first confirmation on below you can see price in buy zone. That is the first confirmation, and second confirmation on below the arrow. On below the arrow you can see there is a bar is here. That is our confirmation bar. We'll show you again. On below the arrow you can see there is a bar is here, that is the confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. You have to check only two confirmation. First you have to wait for the arrow to come. If it is buy signal, then on below it will show price in buy zone. The first confirmation it will show here like price in buy zone, and the second confirmation below the arrow, the bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. If these two parameters are confirmed, then you can directly take the position. So once you enter in the market, second you have to put the stop loss. On below you can see the stop loss is trailing stop loss. We are using trailing stop loss to reduce the risk. So on below you can see the trailing stop loss. On the left left side of that stop loss you can see target. There are three targets, target 1, 2 and 3. There are three targets, and you can see as per this signal, actually we got a buy signal. Last we got a buy signal at 47,980, and the time is 12:35. We got a sell at buy at 47,980, and the time is 12:35. And as per this signal, we are in profit of 118 points. And as per this signal, first target achieved. First target was 48,086. So the first target achieved. And for example, if we enter in a trade and we exit with our first target, after we exit from the target, means after we exit with the first target, if the market is continuing, then software automatically gives a re-entry suggestions. Re-entry means software gives a entry point, separate entry point. As per the current market rate, software gives a separate entry and a separate target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level, and we can exit with that. It totally depends upon the customer. In gold, you know that the first target is we are in profit of 100 points. So after that, the software gives a re-entry option. It totally depends upon you. If you don't want to take a risk, then you just wait for the next signal. You don't want to take a re-entry position, then you just wait for the next signal to come. Next, if that next signal is a sell signal, if the sell signal is confirmed, you can directly take the position. And it's very simple to follow. First you have to wait for the signal to come. If it is sell signal, so if it is buy signal, the price should be in buy zone and the bar should be in green color. And for vice versa, if it is sell signal, then the price should be in sell zone and the bar should be in red color. Only two you have to only check the two confirmation. If these two confirmations are okay, then only you can take the position. If it is not confirmed, then you just avoid the signal. And you can see there is different colors of candle colors are forming now, like normal colors are red and green. For buy is green, for sell is red. Apart from these two colors, you can see some others colors are displayed, like orange colors, MD candles, white candles, light blue. So these are the indication of sideway. Means if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bars. So giving an indication that it's going sideways. And it also displays the resistance support levels for you. You can see there's the red stars. The red stars are the resistance level of the market, and the blues are the support level of the market. So it gives the resistance support level also. And it's all working with the real time data. There is no prediction, it's working with the real time. There is not dealing the data, or it's real time tick by tick data. The same strategy you can follow for all the market. Like right now I'm showing this MCX now. The same strategy you can use it for NSE also. If it is NSE cash future option, yeah, M4X, same strategy you can follow for all segments. Currently I'm giving a live demo. It's a live market only. It's gold live market. I will show you one NSE chart. It's a Hindustan Lever. This today's offline chart. You can see if it is live market rate, then the market rate will display here. On above dashboard, it will display the market value. The same strategy. If it is buy signal is active, first you have to check price in buy zone, and the bar confirmation is okay now, then you can directly take the position. You have to wait for the arrow to come. As per the arrow, you have to check the confirmation. If it is buy signal, then you just check whether the price is buy zone. If it is buy zone and the price on below bar is showing green color, then it's confirm signal, and you can directly take the position. If it is sell signal, then you just check whether the price in sell zone and the bar is in red color, then directly you can take the position. So it's very simple to follow. First, you have to, as I told, you have to wait for the arrow. As per the arrow, you just take the confirmation. If the confirmation is okay, then directly you can take the position. And as per that, you can see on below the stop loss will display, and the target also will display here. You can exit with your target after if the market is a trendy market, then I already told that there is a re-entry suggestion is there. Re-entry means as per the current market rate, software gives separate entry point and a separate target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level. You can use it re-entry suggestion. If you it's totally depends on you. If you don't want to take a re-entry position, then you can wait for the next signal to come. And our software support scalping trading, intraday trading. Right now I'm showing intraday trading. On above you can see this time frame, different time frames are here now. If you are intraday trader, mostly we are preferring to follow only 5-minute time frame. And if it is if you are a short time position trading, then you can follow 30-minute, 1 hour or 4 hour. And if it is long term positional trading, then you can follow daily or weekly or monthly chart. You just click there, then it will convert the time frame. So our software support intraday trading, scalping trading, and positional trading, short time and long time positional trading. And our software also support all major financial market, MCX, NSE, cash, future options, currencies, agri, COMEX and Forex, all major financial market, and it's working with real time data. And so right now I'm showing you a real time market, means a real-time market. So if you're interested to know more about our software WinTrader, and if you're interested to check the live demo, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, and you can call me. You can call me. My number is 9061973737. I have WhatsApp in this number. It's official WhatsApp, and you can also check our reviews page. Don't forget to check our reviews page. WinTrader website. You can check our website www.wintradersoft.com. In that, you don't forget to check our reviews page. And there is any doubt or related to, if you really want to know more about our software, you just directly contact me. And thank you for watching my video.